Yeah, welcome to class. This is Samm. Today we are going to be solving a problem involving indices. Yeah, if you're excited to solve with me, let's go. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems. Okay, so we have 2 raised to the power 2024 plus 2 raised to the power 2023 plus 2 raised to the power 2022 all over 2 raised to the power 2021 plus 2 raised to the power 2020 plus 2 raised to the power 2019 equal to 8. We want to prove that this is equal to 8. So when we are proving, you pick one side and solve till you get the other side. So let's go. Let's pick this side. Again, raised to the power y, you have ax plus y. So it goes both ways. If you have a raised to the power x plus y, the same thing as ax multiplied by a raised to the power y. So now, bearing this in mind, let's pick this numerator. Now, if you look at this, you have 2, 2, 2, right? Common. The powers are different. So we can pick this smallest one and factorize. So if we pick 2 raised to the power 2022, this first one will give us 2 raised to the power what? 2. Because if we multiply 2 and 2, just like we said here, we're going to add the powers. And if you add the powers, 2022 plus 2, that's 2024, right? So this is clear. Plus, in this case, we have 2 raised to the power 1. Because if we multiply these two, 2022 plus 1, that's 2023, to give us this middle term. Plus, this and this exactly the same. So the answer is 1. So 2022 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2022 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2, that gives this. Multiply 2 raised to the power 2022 by 2 raised to the power 1, it gives us 2 raised to the power 2023 because we're adding the powers, right? And this multiplied by 1 is this. So the numerator is fine. So let's see what we can do to the denominator. Remember, we're trying to show that everything here will give us 8. So in this case, 2019 is the smallest. So if we pick 2 raised to the power 2019, we'll factorize by this. Here we'll have 2 raised to the power 2, 21. So 19 plus 2, 21. Plus, this will give us 2 raised to the power 1 again, right? Now, 19, this will give us 1. Okay, so are we close to getting 8? I think so. So what can... Now, if you look at this, what we have in the bracket here and what we have in the bracket here, they are exactly the same. So this can cancel out this. And what we have left is 2 raised to the power 2022 divided by 2 raised to the power 2019. Okay, let me go up there, right? So remember our second law of indices or division law of indices. When you are dividing same number, you subtract the powers, that of the denominator, from that of the numerator. So applying that principle, we'll have 2 raised to the power 2022. Okay, better 2 raised to the power 2019. So this is just 2 raised to the power 2022 minus 2019. Bringing it down, we'll have 2 raised to the power 3. Because 2022 minus 2019 is 3. And 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. So, it shows that, okay, we're supposed to prove that all of this is equal to 8. And what we get when we solve the left-hand side is 8. So left-hand side is equals to right-hand side. So proven. Yeah. So my name is Samm. Subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems.